Hi everyone, I'm Hallie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a couple custom orders to show. These are two Pride and Prejudice Booksmith tomes that are actually going to travel to England. So, for a couple of hardcore Jane Austen fans. So this is the first one. It has a more turquoisey sort of color. And I've got a little green, sparkly, heart-shaped eye there. There's the spine. And there's the back. So that's the first one. These are both traveler's notebooks, of course. So this is the second one. This is a little bit more of an ombre effect. And there's the spine. And there's the back. So we shall open it up. Okay. So I kind of changed. You can see it's a traveler's notebook there. A couple things I did differently. This one is for Betsy and well, first of all, I changed up my book plate thing. So this is a letter of explanation about the Pride and Prejudice tome and how it's fashioned. It's a Booksmith. All right, I'm going to leave that, but I want to demonstrate this. It's also a tuck spot. So here are some fake recipe cards that I made based on recipes they would have used back in the day. So this is called Drunken Loaf, and I put little notes in fountain pen from the cook, Hill, on there. So there's the paper clip, although they didn't have paper clips back then. But I'm taking artistic license. Okay, so here's just some recipes. There's potatoes for Mr. Collins's next visit, etc. There's some trifle in there and some puddings. And basically all you need to know is that they liked lots of butter and wine. And wine sauces and cream and butter and bread. And yeah, it was some good recipes in there. So that's a tuck spot. And then I also included these fake wax seals in a little packet. And then here is some washi tape, English themed. And then the recipient for this one, Betsy. Hi, Betsy. She wanted a combination of lined and blank paper, but what I did was, instead of sewing, I just tied it with these fluffy bits. So if she wants to rearrange the papers in whatever way she wants to do, she can. So, so this is the C.E. Brock illustrations, and then inside is a pocket with the embroidery from 100+ years ago, and then I just have some stained tea-themed little note paper there. And this paper is all fountain pen friendly. I think I'm probably going to do an upgrade in my Etsy shop of if you want something fountain pen related. And I just did a journal. I didn't do a video of it, but I just did a journal where I actually include a fountain pen with that. So I think that's going to be an option. But anyway, so it's just, you know, your typical tea stained papers and etc. And then here's the next insert. And let me see, there was one. Is it this one? No, but I did put some like hymn paper in there because, you know, Mary plays the dirgy hymn stuff. And then here's another one. And hymn paper. And there's one on here called the Jolly Something. I forget. But anyway, it's like that line that Lydia says, Mary, Mary, play something jolly. We want to dance. This is a pen board and a pen holder. So, and if you want a fountain pen substitution, you want that sort of look without the fountain pen, then the uni-ball Vision is, there you go, is a good substitute. And this is Betsy's favorite pen, so that's why that's in there. But that's why I upgraded the paper. And so there you go. And then the last insert is, I did a book of list a la sort of bullet journaling, but I did it based on things that happen in Pride and Prejudice. So things that vex me, because everyone's always getting vexed in that book. And then also, this is Lady Catherine, things I would be better at than anyone else if I ever did them. You know, like playing the pianoforte, stuff like that. People who remind me of Wickham. And then it's just lined blank paper. Well, yeah, blank lined paper. And then with the, I don't know if you can see that, the embroidery down there. And then a back pocket. And then I included some parchment paper and some tea stand lined paper. And then that's the back. So, there you go. Pride and Prejudice. Number whatever. And if these are already taken, but if you want to make your own Booksmith looking Pride and Prejudice tome, I do have a digikit in my Etsy shop that you can print out and do one for yourself if you want. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Bye!